Good afternoon, friends. I'm Shalini Agarwal, and currently I'm working with ICICI Bank with Organizational Excellence Group, which looks after the process improvement. And this is basically a kind of quality department for the bank. And I have been with the bank for last 4.5 years, and previous to this organization, I was with the Indian Navy for 7 years as a short service commission officer, and post that only this is my first corporate office, ICICI Bank. After specifically going through this session, which I did in sometime September, October, and I got to know various various things which probably was missing before. One thing that I learned from this session was how to manage the resistance at various stages, be it at the top management, be it any stakeholder who's involved in the project, how to manage that resistance. One such project that I have dealt in the recent past, I was handling this S2S, service to sales project, wherein the concept, I was working with the call center piece, wherein the problem statement was something like where the conversion rate on the sales that were pitched were quite low. So the business had this in mind, that why the conversion rate is low, and why my revenue generation is low. Is it, he was directly comparing this generation of the revenue with respect to the conversion rate. But when we actually started this project, I found that it is not only the conversion rate, because conversion rate, how these business people define is that the total number of leads that are finally converted divided by the total number of leads that were generated. So that was a clear definition for them to say that this is the rate of their conversion. But now, whether my gender has any relation with the sales that the pitch that they were making and final conversion. So I just applied this, and it actually helped me a lot, because I found that there is a relation between the gender and the number of calls that were finally getting converted. The quality of leads were getting affected for few of the products. So and later of the phase of this project, I wanted to apply also DOE, because I never applied DOE in my previous projects. So I thought, let me test my knowledge on the DOE also. So did some DOE on the various X's that were identified, and applying them. I saw that previous to this particular application of DOE, I was thinking that DOE can be applied only for the manufacturing setup, because in service industry it doesn't have much relevance, kahan apply karne ko milta hai. But after specifically, after specifically attending this session, I understood that it's not that it's only meant for manufacturing. We can also apply, it can be applied anywhere where we want to come out with the best fit model. So I wanted to see what are the various, with respect to the various factors that I had, and what would give me the best model for the better lead conversion and better revenue generation. So to a certain extent, I succeeded in that as well. So this was one of the project I thought I'll share with you. And when we started, this was sometime in August. When I started with this project, that time it was only on the conversion rate. But conversion rate, and that too the conversion was around 3%. By September, October, I could achieve 18%. From 3%, this conversion rate gone to 18%, and the moment that buy-in was there, he said, okay, now why can't we concentrate on the revenue generation part as well? Because now the conversion rate is good, but still I am not getting that figure or the target of revenue. So what it is, and further application of various other tools, I found that the revenue generation also gone up, because in the beginning the conversion rate was because of the low. Because of the calls that were pitched, and finally that those were getting converted, there was a huge gap. But now and because of which lot of other verticals which were directly connected with the phone banking, like for conversion, they were dependent on the branch banking, SFAs, the sales force that they had to go to the customer and get it converted, because if a customer is interested in making an FD, then he would say, okay, send me your guy, and then this branch banking people, they have to send their men on the field, and that's how they get it converted. So earlier they used to say कि phone banking से जो भी आता है lead, it's poor quality, but now they have started telling this team of phone banking that whenever any lead you capture, please give it to me, because it ticks their target. So that's the kind of achievement of this project that I had